Exercise 3.1. Question number 5. Question is, what is a regular polygon? So what is a regular polygon? Definition of regular polygon is a polygon which is equilateral and equiangular. Is called a regular polygon. Equilateral means length of side must be equal. Equiangular means all the angles of the figure must be equal. So this type of polygon are called regular polygon. Now the first part is a polygon with three equal sides is equilateral triangle, because in a equilateral triangle all sides are equal and all angles are equal of measure 60 degree. In second part, what is the name of regular polygon of four sides? So a regular polygon with four sides is square. A rhombus also has four equal sides, but all the angles are not equal, so rhombus is not a regular polygon, while a square has four equal sides and four equal angles, so it is a regular polygon. Six sides, hexagon. Question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. The figure is like this. X 120 degree, 130 degree, 50 degree. If we see the figure, it is a quadrilateral. So sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So first of all we will write property, since sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, therefore x degree plus 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now we cannot add a constant and a variable, so x will be as it is, plus sum of these is 120 plus 130 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 300 degree, is equal to 360 degree. So value of x is 360 degree minus 300 degree. That is, value of x in this figure is 60 degree. Now in second part, in B part, diagram is like this. X 70 degree, 60 degree, and this is a symbol. So this symbol indicates the value is 90 degrees. So if this angle is 90 degrees, this is also equal to 90 degrees. So by applying same property, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. You can find value of x in this figure. Third part, that is C part. Figure is like this. This is 60 degree, 70 degree, x, and this angle is of 30 degree. Now this figure is a pentagon. So we know that sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Sum of the interior angles actually. So we have to find this interior angles. So we write here name A and B. So A plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair. So A is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. Similarly, B plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree because these two are forming linear pair. So this is a linear pair. So B is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Now we have value of A, B and 30 degree now, and we have to find value of x. Since it is a pentagon, so first of all we will write property. Since sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree, therefore 110 degree plus 120 degree plus 30 degree plus x is equal to 540 degree. So 110 plus 120 plus 30 degree is equal to 260 degree. Similarly, x plus x is 2x degree. So 540 degree. So 2x is equal to 540 minus 260 degree is equal to 280 degree. So value of x is equal to 280 degree upon 2, that is 140 degree. Fourth part of the question is figure is a regular pentagon. Since it is a regular pentagon, so all the angles will be of equal measure. So again we will apply property. Since sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Therefore x degree plus x degree plus x degree plus x degree plus x degree is equal to 540 degree. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 5x degree is equal to 540 degree. So x degree is equal to 540 upon 5 is equal to 108 degree.